all done with the car show now, and I'm walking back to my car. I got way too much stuff, but I got a cute bag, so it's okay. I'm exhausted, but we still have a cruise. So let's stick around downtown after I drop off my stuff and see who's all down here. Okay, so I put my big bag down and it's just my little purse now. But I will show you all the cars cruising downtown. It's really cute. We're walking up 4th Street in Central right now, but they block off all the roads and all the cars just cruise back and forth. So it's really cute. Thank you. We got the bikes too. Okay, so now is the part where we get to 8th Street. So the roundabout down here usually has a bunch of people parked and everybody parks in the little parking lot. I'm not seeing many of the little lowriders, but I'm out of breath. I've walked a long time. I need to go take a smoke break and then I'll be good. But let's go see the parking lot. So this is the parking lot. Has a bunch of the little oldies parked. But there's probably not a lot right now just because the Lowrider show is going on. And most of them are probably... Like I said, these are some of the cars in the parking lot. There are not a lot right now, only because the car show just ended. But usually the car lot is super packed, and we're down to the roundabout, and there's a few cars down here. There's one guy parking, there's a cute little pink car, but there's really not... Ooh, there comes the green. You guys know I love my green. So I got to the light and my friend picked me up because it is hot, like hot. And there's not even a bunch of cars here. Some girls gave me a shot out of their car and this Jumex, so at least we have a beverage. up next. Walking, we're all chilling. These cars are beautiful. Let me get my big head out of the way. But I'm enjoying my time, found more friends. But everybody's enjoying their time. So I'll let you know when we get to the end of the street, whatever's going on. This thing's cute.
Everybody's calling it dead.
I want to see the cars in that parking lot. What the hell is it doing? I just wanted to show you what it looks like. I'm walking back to my car. Girl, were you selling jerky?
Yes.
Dang, I missed out. Give yourself a shout out. What's your Instagram?
I have red and lemon.
Wait, look, she got her phone number. Look, this is her jerky. Come find her. Michela. That's cute. That's what my grandpa used to call me.
That's what my grandpa called me.
What?